Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essentials. Sign into the identical Google account on both devices and install the latest Google Pay build. Once done, make sure Google Play Services is updated, the phones have internet, and screen locks and biometrics are enabled. This secures payments. Now open Google Pay on phone A, tap your profile, and begin device setup transfer or add payment methods. These first steps prevent duplicate accounts, reduce verification friction, and set up secure authentication required by banks. Next, focus on payment details. On phone A, verify each card is active. If supported, export or retokenize the card for another device. Then on phone B, sign into the same Google account and choose Add Payment Method, pick card, bank, or use device backup. Follow verification prompts. Banks may require SMS codes, the bank app, or 3D Secure. Make sure to complete verification on phone B, otherwise the card stays inactive. This step ensures tokens are provisioned to the second device securely. Finish by testing a small contactless payment so tokens activate. Then confirm transactions appear in Google Pay history on both phones. If something goes wrong, first sync your Google account, clear app cache, and reinstall Google Pay. Then retry verification. Many issues stem from stale app data. If the bank blocks the card, contact them to reauthorize. And if an old phone is compromised, remove it from your account immediately. These final checks lock down access and ensure smooth daily use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.